Hello everyone. Today I'm installing these furring strips. I have three layers of half-inch insulation here, and I'm flush with these ribs. So originally I was going to use those square washers, and instead I found an easier way. I got these toggle bolts, and I put a nylock nut on the end of here because once I put the paneling over this, there's no way that's going to back out, but this could possibly unscrew and fall down inside the rib, so I put that on there. And I've installed one, as you can see here, and it's really solid. I've only got one mounting point right here, and later I can screw into this if I want to, but I think it's fine because once I mount the paneling and everything, it's not going to go anywhere, and I put all my furniture and everything in, I think it'll be fine. The trick to installing this though is I have to hold this nut and screw that at the same time. Right here I kind of got an advantage because there's it's bowed, so I can push this in, flip that around, and it kind of stays there. So now this one I had to kind of hold the thing straight, hold the wrench, hold it up, screw it at the same time, do all that. I know it'd be easier just to put sheet metal screws or whatever in, but I'm trying not to do that. If I could turn this van back into a stock cargo van at any time, not that I plan on doing that, but it's just an option, and it doesn't have a bunch of holes in it and stuff. So I still I'll show you an update here what I got going on. I might run out of video though. Got my high-tech tripod here, fancy lighting to try to make the video a little better. Got the ceiling all done. I'm gonna put furring strips on that, and then I got to insulate this side, but I wanted to try this side since I got it done. I just want to try that out, try these furring strips out, see if it was gonna work. It looks like it's gonna work out good though. Thanks for watching.